Business Cal, topic 2.1, problem number 24. We're trying to find the average rate of change for each value of h for this function here. Well, using the a and h for arc, we will use this formula right here. F of a plus h all divided, minus f of a all divided by h. This will give us our average rate of change. Okay. In this particular case, the function f of x is 3x squared minus 2x. So everywhere I see an x, we're going to replace that with an a plus h. So this will be 3a plus h squared minus 2a plus h. For this portion right here, everywhere we see an x, we're going to put an a in. So the function 3x squared minus 2x will now be 3a squared minus 2a. Let me use my parentheses. So 3a squared minus 2a. And that's my f of a right there, all over h. Okay, now we're going to put this in the calculator, and because of the numerator, we're going to say open parentheses for the numerator. Let's see. And then we're going to type in the 3, make sure it doesn't like an equal sign, minus sign, 3, open parentheses, alpha a plus alpha h, close parenthesis, square, minus 2, open parentheses, alpha a plus alpha h, close parenthesis, then minus, open parenthesis, 3, alpha a squared, minus 2, alpha a, close parenthesis, then close numerator. Then we hit the division symbol for this, and then put in alpha h. Now, we're going to have to make sure that our a and our h are 0 and 1. So, let's begin that process here. Okay. So, 1, we're going to store that into alpha a and enter, and then we're going to store 1 into alpha, where's h? There's h, input. Okay, now we're going to put this expression in. So open parenthesis, 3, open parentheses, alpha a plus alpha h, close parenthesis, squared, minus 2, open parenthesis, alpha a plus alpha h, close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 3, alpha a squared, minus 2, alpha a, close parenthesis, close numerator. Divide all that by alpha h, and then enter. And we have 7. So 7 is our first arc. That's the arc for h is 1. Now, the arc for h is 0.01. Well, what I'll do is I'll say 0.1 store alpha h, enter. And then to bring my equation back, I'm going to press second function here and then enter. And then second function again and then enter. And the equation is back. And now that I have my equation, I'm going to press enter. And I now have 4.3. So my next average rate of change is 4.3. And that's for h being 0.1. Next, let's put in 0.01 store alpha h, and now bring back our equation, second function enter, second function enter, and then enter again, and now we have an arc that is 4.03, and that's for the h being 0.01. Okay, lastly, 0.001 being stored into alpha h, we'll bring back an equation, second function enter, and then we have now our last arc. Our last arc will be 4.03. that is for h being 0.001.